Here's my lunch. Mangin. My lunch for today. Asan si ate ba? Katatapos lang ni ate na kumain ng... Ano? Kumain ng... Where's ate? Asan si ate Bel? Ayan. Manta na. Mangan, mangan, mangan. Mangan, mangan, mangan. Mangan, 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 mangan.
Sasabihin ko bang buhat yung kanuan.
This is so good. My lobster. Sinave ko muna yung head and yung claws later. So, ito muna yung inano ko. And a corn. Wala akong rice, just corn. And clam. My favorite. So good.